In this video, I'll show you some new ways to make money with your YouTube shorts. Now, the first way is through YouTube Partner Program, and here you earn 45% of the revenue generated from the advertisements on your shorts. And to be part of this program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million public shorts views in the last 19 days, or 4,000 public watch hours of the long form videos in the last 12 months. The second way is the YouTube Shorts Fund, which is $100 million, and the shorts creators can earn between $100 and $10,000. And you need to create original shorts and get a lot of views to qualify for this fund. The next way is about the YouTube Premium, which comes with a subscription fee, and you earn part of this subscription fee when a premium YouTube user watches your shorts. And your content should be of high quality and free from advertisement to be considered premium. Another way to make money from your YouTube shorts is through channel membership. And here, you earn money if your channel has members who are paying to watch your content. And for people to pay to watch your shorts, you should be having high quality and useful content. And there's also super chats, super stickers, and super thanks is another way to earn from your YouTube shorts channel. And in this way, your viewers on live stream pay you to place their messages, images, or animation at the top of the live chat. In addition, you can earn money on your YouTube Shorts channel through YouTube BrandConnect. And here, brands pay you to include their content in your shorts. Moreover, if you're a music artist, you can earn from your shorts channel through concert ticketing. And this way allows you to easily sell tickets for your YouTube concerts. Now, as a bonus, other existing ways to make money on your YouTube shorts include licensing your content to media houses or other interested parties, selling your own products or services, promoting other people or companies' products or services, crowdfunding or fund funding, affiliate marketing, and through subscription services through membership platforms. Note, all these ways have requirements and you have to meet them to use the ways to make money on YouTube. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.